Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, where we specialize in advanced communication and security solutions. Today, we're diving into an important topic: why fiber optic cabling is essential for secure video surveillance. Modern security depends heavily on video surveillance. From protecting commercial properties to monitoring public spaces, surveillance cameras are the first line of defense. But behind every camera system lies a critical question: how secure and reliable is the cabling that carries your video data? Traditional copper cabling has limits. It's vulnerable to electromagnetic interference, signal loss over long distances, and even tampering. Fiber optic cabling, on the other hand, uses light to transmit data, making it faster, more reliable, and far more secure. Here's why fiber optics are essential for secure video surveillance. Having high bandwidth capacity video surveillance systems generate massive amounts of data. Fiber optics handle high definition and even 4K video feeds effortlessly, without delays or dropped signals. Extended transmission distances. Unlike copper, which weakens after a few hundred feet, fiber can transmit clear, secure video data for miles without degradation. Enhanced security. Fiber optic cables are extremely difficult to tap into without being detected, making them the safest choice for transmitting sensitive surveillance footage. Immunity to interference. Fiber is unaffected by electromagnetic interference, ensuring uninterrupted monitoring, even in high-energy environments like factories, hospitals, and transportation hubs. As surveillance systems evolve to higher resolutions and smarter analytics, fiber optic infrastructure is already equipped to support next-generation security solutions. Think of airports, universities, and smart cities. These environments rely on hundreds, sometimes thousands, of cameras. Without fiber optic cabling, maintaining secure, high-quality, real-time video would be nearly impossible. At Comm Systems, we understand that the strength of your surveillance system depends on the reliability of its cabling. That's why we design and install fiber optic networks that ensure your video surveillance remains clear, secure, and dependable. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Comm Systems channel for more insights. For expert fiber optic and surveillance solutions, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.